Social Hotel. And if you're looking for the best staycation spot in Singapore, then this would be the place.
And we just finished a 1-hour cocktail class.
Cheers! I really liked how in the workshop you got to, really customize, make the type of flavor that you like. I didn't realize there were so many different types of liquor and, stuff that you can add into it.
And what's more, you even get a free gift home, so you can be your own mixologist even after the staycation.
Aside from taste, actually smell was a huge part of the cocktail making workshop, which leads us to another activity that we'll be doing later.
Is it a perfume workshop?
Let's find out!
Let's go! So over here, there's 34 different scents, and each of these scents is customized to your personality. Do you want to show us how you do that?
Sure. All I have to do is scan that QR code. It will take me to a Maison 21G quiz where it says my day perfume is Rose Ritual and Ocean Odyssey.
That sounds so good.
Yeah, we put that together into this really beautiful little 30 ml bottle.
Smells like evening.
We're now at the Alcove Cosy room, and what I like most about this room is the super high ceilings, the minimalistic design, really nicely ironed bed sheets, and also a unique curve that leads to the corridor. In this room, you get comfortable space for two with a plushy queen-size bed. You can even take a refreshing rain shower, and for ladies who appreciate good light, there's soft mirror lighting for your perfect Instagram selfie before heading out and going about your day.
Hi, we're now at the 5th floor where it's a very nice and cozy swimming pool area. You can come here, enjoy the music, rest, relax, read some books.
And if you swim to the end of the pool, you'll be able to see the Singapore River along Robertson Quay.
Yeah. We're here now at Beast Butterflies.
This is the place where you can get your buffet breakfast. All you have to do is scan the QR code like so. Belle, should I go for the continental, American, or local?
You can get anything you want because it is free flow breakfast.
That's true. Now that you've seen everything at the M Social Hotel, what are you waiting for?
Book now on Klook. Ciao!